Hey, dolls and divas, Frugal Diva, Frugal Diva, what? Frugal Diva, Southern Charities Bakery, Southern Charities Bakery. Yes, dolls and divas, we are here today with another exciting video. I want to thank you for stopping by. I want to thank you for hitting that like button. I want to thank you for sharing, because sharing is caring. And today we have our Dinerly package. So I literally just did a video live on our Misfits Market, and that is a vegetable and fruit and vegetable subscription box. This is a food meal subscription box. So in this box we get we get 3 meals, and you get to choose your meals. And I kind of messed up. I believe I chose my meals because I kind of do a lot of stuff in advance. I believe I definitely chose my meals for this week, but I messed up because I didn't calculate and look at the boxes, because I normally don't get a Misfits Market and a Dinerly box at the same time, just because simple fact it's only 2 of us and we can't really eat all of the stuff like that. But the great thing about this is the meal, so we can definitely freeze it. But tonight we're definitely going to be having a meal from the Dinerly box. So we opened it up and it's hot, so I don't know how well the ice is doing, but let's look inside, see that's what's going on there. And this box is $38 for 3 meals. And the 3 meals are enough to feed 2 people. So it's 3 meals, 2 people, so technically it's 6 meals. So let's get on started with this. Now with the Dinerly box, unlike places like HelloFresh or Blue Apron, they do not give you the recipes in the box. You have to go online and you have to download the recipe, or you can do the recipe online. A lot of times, I'm going to tell you the truth, I have never ever done going online and got the recipe. I just make what I make because I happen to be a chef, so I make what I make. In all essence, I just make what I make. I don't follow their stuff. So in any case, this is the panko breadcrumbs. So panko breadcrumbs usually is some type of meal with chicken. So I'm assuming that this is a chicken meal. Because like I said, I do these things in advance, so I don't remember. Ooh, some kind of tacos. Now I know it got to be hamburgers in here, because I usually always get a hamburger because it's a bread that I like. That comes in here. We'll get to that when we get to it. Anyway, this is the taco seasoning. And also, they give you the ingredients, but they don't give you like a salt and pepper and things like that. You have to have that on your own. They don't give you oil. You have to have that on your own. So you know, whatever oil you use, olive oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever, or coconut oil, whatever oil you use is what you will use for whatever dish. So this is tomato sauce. It's cold, so I think the ice was really surviving. Ooh, we got some Mediterranean pita bread. Now, we normally get tacos, but we got pita bread. Great. Ooh, yes, I love pita bread. I love a good gyro or gyro or gyro. You know, people say it so many different ways. I have never met a Greek person to be able to tell me the exact way to say it. So is it gyro, gyro, gyro? I don't know. These are green beans. Ooh, yes. Now, green bean, I don't know what this exactly is for, but my husband and I, we just snap the green beans and eat them just like that. Maybe do some dip, some ranch dip, and there it is. Do that with the green beans. We do it with carrots. You know, we do it with broccoli. Fresh, great, absolutely great. Ooh, now this is a love. Scallions. My husband and I, we love onions, and we love And we love scallions. We love all the onions, shallots, all of that good stuff. So here it is. 2 scallions. So now let's take, oh wait, a whole garlic. I love that they always give you a whole garlic and not just pieces of garlic. A nice whole garlic. Great, because we are down to our last 2 cloves of garlic. So that's great. Oh, another can of tomato sauce. So that's going to be something. So now let's get on down to the meats and the cheeses and whatever else. Oh, okay. I don't think we got our bread that I really, really love. My husband and I, we really love that bread. Okay, so we got some chicken. We got 2 things of chicken. So whatever we got. Ooh. I don't know if we got 2 things of chicken because it's just 1 in there. Because normally we get 1 pack of chicken and normally it's 2 chicken breasts in there. But anyway, here's the chicken. Then we got some cheeses. Let me pull out all of these cheeses. Cheese, glorious cheese. So we have some Fontina cheese. And I like these little packets. We have 3 packets of Fontina cheese. We have 2 packets of Land O'Lakes mild cheddar cheese. We have this ice pack I gotta move. Oh, we got some more Land O'Lakes cheese. We got some, some Bonnie, Mama, honey. I wonder what that's for. See, now I'm going to have to go online and see what the dishes was because I'm a little intrigued by that. Ooh, is this what I think? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, I love whole grain mustard. We have some whole grain mustard. Because we've been eating sandwiches the last 3 days. Oh my gosh, turkey sandwiches with lettuce and tomatoes, all the vegetables that we got from the Misfits Market. Lettuce and tomatoes and turkey. We bought some turkey on pumpernickel rye bread. Yes. And I put pickles on mine. But like I told you, my husband doesn't like pickles. I make fresh pickles. Oh my gosh, so good. Pickles and what else? Onions on it. Along with, like I said, the mustard and the Hellmann's mayonnaise. And a little olive oil. I mean, not olive oil, I'm sorry. No olive oil because the mayonnaise is already oil. I wanted to say the apple cider vinegar. OMG. Those sandwiches have been delightful with monster cheese and American cheese. Oh my gosh, those sandwiches have been delightful. Oh my gosh, they've been so good. So good. Well, we did get some tacos. So it's 2 different things that we have to do. Okay. So we did get some tacos like we normally get tacos. And then we got, what is this? Oh, mayonnaise. Some mayonnaise. I don't know if we're going to use that because we a little bougie when it comes to our mayonnaise. We only like Hellmann's. And you know, in the South, when we go down south, when we visit the family in the South, you get Hellmann's or you get Duke's mayonnaise. Now, I'm not a big fan. Let me tell y'all something. I'm really, really not at all a fan of, what is that mayonnaise? That's more of a salad dressing. What is it called? Hellmann's, Duke's. What is that, man? Miracle Whip. Oh my gosh, Miracle Whip is sweet and sugary. I can't. That's only good for a sandwich. If you're gonna have Miracle Whip, if ever somebody give me Miracle Whip, it better be on a sandwich. Other than a sandwich, don't do that. Don't make my macaroni salad with no Miracle Whip. Don't do it. Don't use no Miracle Whip. And then one other panko breadcrumbs. And that is all that was in the box. So I didn't choose hamburgers. I did choose. I got ground beef. So I don't know. they changing it up with the pita bread. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe they changed it up with the pita bread. But sure enough, there's this bread. It's a potato bread that they always send. It's called Morton's potato bread. Oh my gosh, that is so great on the hamburger. So great. But in any case, that is all that was inside of the box. So there are supposed to be 3 meals. So this is 1 meal. I guess this is 2 meals. I think this is 2 breasts in there. And this is 3 meals. Now what these meals are, I have the faintest idea because I don't remember. I just don't remember. So you know what, I'm going to put in the description box. When I upload this video, I'm putting in the description box what the 3 meals were. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in the description box what the 3 meals were. Because I could put a picture of it, but I am using my laptop to do this video. And on my laptop, I don't have the same functions on this particular laptop that I have on my other laptop and my camera to be able to put in certain things. But oh well. Anyway, Dolls and Divas, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have never seen any of the Dinah videos that I do, they will definitely be linked in the description box below, so you can check those out and see what we've gotten in past boxes. And also, I will put a link to my coupon code. I think it's a coupon code. If it's not a coupon code, if there is a coupon code and I don't particularly have one, I'm gonna still put the link in there so that y'all can get something off if y'all want to try these Dinah Lees. Because I know when I first bought Dinah Lee, I did use a coupon code. I know I did. I used the coupon code. So in any case, Dolls and Divas, if you like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up. If you're not part of the family, don't know what you're waiting for. If you are part of the family, make sure your notification bells are turned on. So as always, smooches, Dolls and Divas. Smooches!